And this is a bargain if you've got. This is a wonderful protected leather. This is Natuzzi Editions range. This model has been out a good while. It's very comfortable, a nice conversational, relaxed sofa, and from our experience of selling over 500 sets of this model, we found it to be one of Natuzzi's more reliable models. This pair of sofas are an absolute bargain here at Sofamax. Look at this reduced price. We can't repeat this, so strike while the iron is hot and grab the bargain. This is a protected leather, meaning it's sealed and should take spills and is a bit stain resilient, family friendly leather, and with this depth and premium feel, and the smell of very beautiful leather is apparent on this wonderful designer sofa. With UFO style legs complementing perfectly this open base design, this clean and minimal look ensures a designer aesthetic in your lounge space